this is the best way to actually approach nutrition, right? So let's work with the food preferences. Don't do drastic changes and cut out a bunch of stuff and introduce new foods. Hey everyone, Coach Nate here. Today we're diving into something super important, something that I talk about all the time, and this is about nutrition. So we're going to be talking about nutrition for your fitness journey. So we'll break down what you really need to know about macros, calories, and supplements. So let's kick things off with macronutrients. So when it comes to nutrition, the first thing that we need to understand are the macronutrients. They are the building blocks of your diet. First up, we've got protein. So protein is super important for building and rebuilding your muscles after you crush it in the gym. And protein also helps to keep you satiated, making sure that those cravings don't haunt you at night. So make sure that you're getting enough protein. Rule of thumb is to have 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. I like to do 1.5 grams of protein per pound of body weight, because when you eat your protein, your body is going to waste some of that protein away, which is about 30% that it actually wastes away. So when I eat 1.5, I know for sure I'm going to clock in that 1 gram per pound of body weight. So next up, we've got the carbs. So they are your main energy source. They're a very important macronutrient as well. So they fuel everything. So whether you're working, playing, or hitting the gym, you need to make sure that you have some carbs in your system to make sure that you can keep going and sustain your energy throughout the day. So they are not your enemy. Make sure that you eat enough carbs, and your brain also needs carbs. That's actually like legit. Your brain functions on carbs. Okay. And then lastly, you have your fats. So this is the third macronutrient. So fats are also misunderstood as well, but crucial as well for your overall health. And they're crucial for hormone production as well. So make sure that you're getting enough fats in your diet. You don't need a ton of fats, but you need some fats in your diet. So balancing these macronutrients is the key to having a good diet. So you need the right blend of proteins, carbs, and fats to keep your body performing at a peak level. So whether you're aiming to tone, burn fat, or build muscle, this is where nutrition planning comes in. So making sure you have the right macro split in your diet is important. And your macros need to fit into your daily caloric intake. So there's a lot of noise out there about calories. The reality is calories are units of energy. If you eat too few, you're running on empty. You won't be able to perform at a peak level. If you eat too many, you might be overfilling the gas tank and you might start feeling sluggish. So it's really about balance. If you're serious about your goals, you need to start tracking to actually know exactly what you're eating. And tracking can be a game changer to help you achieve that physique that you actually want to see. So make sure that you get an app, again, like I talked about in the last video. Get an app, download it, MyFitnessPal, MacroFactor, Cronometer. I've got a guide on how to use MyFitnessPal. And this is a game changer, I tell you. And if you're thinking, let's just say you're saying, Nate, hey, I don't have time for all that tracking. No worries, I've got you. So hit me up and I can hook you up with a custom nutrition plan. Send me an email directly to me. That's Nate, Nate, at nateoidfitness.com. So I can take care of all the details and you can focus on your life, as busy as it is. And yeah, and speaking of busy lives too, let's talk about meal prep. So even if you get the nutrition plan, you still need to do meal prep. So because lives are busy, that doesn't mean that nutritious eating and healthy eating should fall by the wayside. It might sound daunting at first, but with little planning, you can actually fit in healthy eating into your schedule. It takes maybe 1 week, 2 weeks to just get in the rhythm of meal planning. Once you're in the rhythm, it's like clockwork. You just, doing what you do every week, and you save money as well. So it's all about making sure that your nutrition plan is also working for you and not the other way around. So this is the best way to actually approach your nutrition, right? So let's work with the food preferences. Don't do drastic changes and cut out a bunch of stuff and introduce new foods. Just do it gradually. Adjust, adapt, right? You can still hit your goals. You just need to be mindful of what you're actually doing. And so before we wrap up, quick word on supplements. I've done a couple videos on supplements. So walking into the supplement store can really feel like you're stepping into a wild jungle, and almost every supplement bottle that I look at is obviously flashy. They need to get your attention, but also has a bold claim on it. But what actually works? That is the key thing. That is the key thing to ask, and what you need to figure out. So as far as I know, a few supplements have been scientifically proven to support your fitness goals. So supplements include vitamins, minerals, protein powder, creatine, and beta-alanine. Those have been proven. Other supplements, you still have to approach with caution. And always remember, supplements should enhance and not replace your diet. So thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you feel more confident about navigating your nutrition. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe or follow, and share your nutrition wins in the comments below. Don't forget, if you need a little extra help, I'm just an email away. Send me a quick email, and catch you in the next video. Peace out.